can't wait to meet the new engine. I hope he's kind. Unlike some other engines.
Whoa, Thomas, you're running low on water.
We better fill up then. Do you hear that?
Sounds like 98462. He's not meant to...
Ha! I told you we could get here early.
These damn rotten brakes.
Hello?
Who are you?
I'm Thomas. I work these yards.
Well, I don't know what else you'd be doing. What design are you?
I'm an LBSC design. Well, Southern, I suppose.
Well, I'm from the LMS, formerly with the Lancashire and Yorkshire Railway. Undoubtedly one of the finest railways in the world.
Well, you're puffed up in a smoke box.
See, this was exactly why I was fearing coming here. Being confronted by common, ignorant tank engines. I should have stayed home.
Wait, you don't mean... Oh, you're not.
I wasn't expecting to be sold to another railway and being greeted by a bright blue brat. I expected something more gracious.
Oh, so you're the new engine then. I should have known. He did describe a black mogul. I didn't even know there were Yorkshire moguls out there.
I'm one of a kind. All my brothers were built as 060s, but I was special. They made me into a mogul. The LMS were daft to send me away. I'm probably one of the finest locos to ever run the line.
I think they sold you because you talk too much.
What's that on your tank?
What? Oh, you mean my number? Well, I'm number 1.
Ha! Really? You're being serious? A proper railway giving their most important number to a common tank engine?
Well, I deserve it. I was the first engine bought after all. Not necessarily the first to get here, but still.
You make me laugh. I need to go now. See you later, Thompson. You'll probably be seeing me come through with a goods train later. That'll be a splendid sight for you.
It certainly will be a sight once the director repaints you blue.
Gah! He's the craziest of them all if he thinks he'll ever get me to go around wearing blue. I like my black. I wouldn't want it any other way. Now, good day.
Well, he's certainly a joy. With any luck, the trucks will teach him a lesson or two.
All right, Thomas, you fool. Let's go.
Hold on a minute. Is that new?
Oh, that. It's not important. Let's get back to work.